All right, we're all set. Good morning. Tell me your name.
Juan Carlos Urquidez.
Your middle name. Your middle name, Carlos.
Yeah, Juan Carlos Urquidez. My full name.
So you're here today for an initial appearance on charges of manslaughter, aggravated assault, 4 counts, endangerment, 4 counts, and criminal damage. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have the right to an attorney on this matter. I'm going to appoint the public defender's office, and you have counsel seated with you for purposes of the hearing here today. I've had an opportunity to review information provided by pretrial services. The state also has made a recommendation. Mr. Poston, did you want to be heard further? I am familiar with the interim.
Your Honor, therefore, the stated submits on the record.
Ms. Otto, did you want to be heard?
Judge, I'd ask that you impose no more than a $7,500 bond. Mr. Urquidez is a young man with no criminal history. Obviously, these allegations are serious. There's no indication of prior DUIs. So I'd ask that you not impose an overly burdensome bond.
I am going to impose a bond today in the amount of $250,000. That is going to be a cash or secured bond. If you do post that bond, Mr. Urquidez, then you'll be released to pretrial services. If you get released to pretrial, you'll be ordered to participate in any monitoring or treatment they direct. This is an alcohol-related offense. They will very likely, if you get released, have you test. You are not allowed to possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. Do not drive without a valid license. You can't have any firearms while this case is going on. Do not have any contact with any of the victims in this case. Don't go anywhere near where they're living or working. Your next hearing is February 18th at 1:30. That's a preliminary hearing. That date may or may not occur, but you will be responsible for showing up at all future court dates. And if you fail to appear, a warrant could issue for your arrest. Do you understand your conditions of release? Ms. Otto, I need an audio on that.
Sorry, Judge. He said yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you understand the consequences if you fail to appear for your hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
You're excused.